can you eat at fast food restaurants and still see results in your performance and weight loss? The truth is that you can. If you rely a lot on fast food restaurants like McDonald's, Subway, Pizza Hut, whatever it is, you can still reach your goals eating these foods. It's not optimal and it will be a little bit more difficult, but it's not impossible. As long as you're in a calorie deficit, you are going to achieve weight loss. But if you're looking at performance, you may need to be more mindful and specific of the menu items that are at these fast food restaurants. What I recommend when you're going to fast food restaurants is that you look up the menu ahead of time. This way you already know what you're going to order before you get there. And most important, try to think of getting a serving of starch, a serving of protein, and a vegetable if possible. This way you make sure that your meals are balanced, but you also are able to see the calories and the protein of each menu item. That way you can see if you are in a calorie deficit or if you're at maintenance calories. All of this just to make sure that you're eating balanced meals and that you're reaching your goals.